Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this mysterious package I got. If you're new here, my name is Kristen. I'm a lover of colorful makeup, wrestling, and reggae horror, among other things, and I upload every single day. So if that's something that interests you, I would love to have you. Anyways, yes. So I came home from work a couple days ago, and I saw this package out, and I'm like, I recognize this is an e.l.f. package, because this is typically what they look like. And my husband, I think, got home at the same time or something. I don't remember, but I'm looking at it, I'm like, hold on. I did not order anything from e.l.f. And my husband's like, well, maybe they just sent you something for free. I'm like, that's not how makeup companies work. And I'm no one, you know, in terms of channel. And I don't even put our address out there. So all I've done is I've ordered from them in the past. But anyways, yeah, so I opened this up and I'm looking. And it's e.l.f.ing amazing, hilarious. And these boxes are ridiculous with how they open up. And so this was the inside. So I had disregarded the card. I saw it there and I'm looking, I'm like, this is freaking skincare. Why am I getting skincare? I'm thinking, okay, I got someone else's order. But no, I looked on the shipping label and it's my address. It's my name. So I'm looking at the products. I'm like, okay, e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. This is broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen with hyaluronic acid and peptide complex. We have Holy Hydration Sleeping Mask with hyaluronic acid and peptides. And then we have the e.l.f. This is weird. This is the Holy Hydration Hydro Gel Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and peptides. And I'm like, I didn't order this. This is so weird. And then I finally went and grabbed the card because I had grabbed this stuff and sat down at my other computer. And so I was looking at the front. I'm like, okay, it says New Holy Hydration Skincare. And then it lists all the names again. And I'm like, so what? Like, I didn't buy this. Like, what is this? And then I looked at the other side. And it says, you've been selected. We want you to be one of the first to try our newly launched Holy Hydration products. Your feedback is important, so express your e.l.f. and we'll add 25 points to your Beauty Squad balance. And then it gives the URLs to the products on their website. So it was really funny because I did remember that.
Oh my god, I did sign up for this thing.
I happened to see my email as they were coming in and I saw something about e.l.f. and I have it on my phone. I will show it here on the screen if I can find it. But it basically said be one of the first 500 people to sign up for this to get free products. And I'm like, cool, may as well try. I mean, I've seen stuff like that before, but I've never gotten anything. Until now, which is hilarious. So, yeah, so I have these 3 products. And these are full size, bitches. Like, I'm amazed. Yeah. And, you know, I didn't even have to pay for shipping. It was just, I gave them my name, I gave them my address. I think I was signed into my e.l.f. account. But I'm like, what? Now, I don't think we were the first people to get them, though, because there are reviews and stuff on the website already. There's tons of videos I've already seen on YouTube. So, whatever. But, I mean, it's just really cool. It's just really cool that I got these products. So, I will definitely use them. In fact, so this is SPF. So, I'm actually going to use this one right now. I already did a get ready with me earlier today. I changed my t-shirt on being a good YouTuber. Telling you my secrets now too though. But so it comes like this, so it's still a really good size, but you know, it's a lot smaller than the box. How much is this? Anyways, let me look. This is 1.76 ounces. So let me sanitize my hands. And I am going to put this on my face. I didn't put anything else on my face. I'm going to work today. But it is sunny out, so it's a good thing that I'm going to be putting something on my face to protect it, because I do have to walk about a mile through the train yard. So it does say it's fragrance free. There's something of a scent, but I'm sure it's just because of the products that they use. But it's really thick. It's really thick in there. I mean, I don't want to do it too much, but like, yeah, that's not coming out. So that's kind of cool. So, you know, we'll just, we'll put this on. I just think I tried the one in the tube before the other day. Now, I'm not putting anything else on besides this either, so all we're doing is perfecting the face. but it's very silky going on. So, and this is just a first impression, by the way. This is not a review. I was not sent this. Well, I was sent it for free, but I wasn't sent it for free to do like a video or anything. I mean, they have no idea that I have a YouTube channel. So this is just me trying out stuff I got. So hey, something to unbox. So that's cool. You know, who knows if that'll ever happen again, but oh! And I just dropped it. Alright. Well, there we go. Okay, so I dropped it on the ground. Hilarious. There's still so much left. A little bit came out, but like that shit is thick, man. Well, it's a good thing that I have tons of other products and didn't actually pay for this. So, okay, I don't even know what happened. I don't even know how I knocked that over. Anyways, there's still tons of product left, so I'm still gonna definitely use that. Definitely use it because it's sunscreen. And then I don't think the other ones are sunscreen though. This is just Hydro Gel Moisturizer, and this is a sleeping mask. I don't need either of these right now. In fact, this one has foil and the other one's a pump, so I know that one doesn't have foil on it. So, because I did try it out too. So, anyways, thank you, e.l.f. Thank you for the free products. Again, I know you... It's not because I had a channel. It's not because I had a channel, but I did get those for free from e.l.f. So that's cool. Yeah, it feels a little greasy, but you know, it's SPF. Anyways, in fact, I'm not gonna put a little more in my nose. My nose will be fine. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of these products, and if you bought them, what you think of them especially. And yeah, don't forget I upload every day because I'm a weirdo, and I love makeup, wrestling, and Rocky Horror. So I will talk to you later. Bye.